Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White, and welcome to wonderful Westmere. And if you're looking for the next size up, then 17 Edgars Road is for you. With 4 bedrooms, a second living area, landscape gardens and a family-sized pool, there is nothing to complain about here and you will love it.
This incredible family home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a big open living space, rumpus room and swimming pool and spa. Absolutely everything you could want for a growing family. This fabulous family home is everything you could want, plus more. Come along to the open homes or give me a call and we can make a time for a private viewing.